Hey guys, this is Jay from JustMyideas, and what I want to talk about today is one of my very first scenarios that I want to talk to you about concerning, well, hold on, here's the idea. JustMyideas.com. The idea is, now this is a business product, right? This is a product where when you go to the grocery store, you drive there, you park, you get out, you go in the grocery store, you get your shopping cart. You see where I'm going with this? This is this repetitive motion that we all go through, at least here in the United States. But here's the idea. You go into the grocery store, you grab a shopping cart, you put the things in your shopping cart, then you go to the checkout, then you take the things out of the shopping cart. And then you get them rung up, they put them in bags, they put them back in the shopping cart. Then you take the shopping cart, get it out to your car. You take it out of the shopping cart again. Then you get home, and then you unload it out of your trunk or your car and bring those bags in. What if there was a better way? There is a better way. And here's just my idea. What if you sold a shopping cart that folds up? You know how a gurney works, like in the back of ambulance. They push it into the back of the ambulance and the legs just fold up and it slides in. What if you use the same concept on a shopping cart, but it's in the back of your car? It's in the trunk. It's not really taking up space. It folds down. But yet it keeps the rails on the shopping cart so that all your groceries are still in there. So now in this idea, you have the shopping cart in your trunk from home. When you go to the grocery store, you open your trunk, you pull out your shopping cart, the wheels fold down, and it's customized. You can have your own design scenario, your own wheels, your own team logos on it. You can customize it however you like. You take your own shopping cart into the grocery store, you put the items in it. Yeah, they still have to come back out in order to check out, but it goes back in your shopping cart. Now when you go back out to your car and you open your trunk, you slide your shopping cart right into the trunk. There's no more taking it back out again. And then when you get home, you have the wheels on there that are like a triangle set of wheels, right? They will roll up and roll down anything like a curb, a sidewalk, the door, when you're pushing it inside of your home. You push your own shopping cart right into your home, into your kitchen, then you take the items out and put them away. When you're done, put your shopping cart back if you want, or do it later. But the shopping cart is yours. There's no returning it back to the stall and messing with the ones that are there with the wheel that always goes like this, right? So that's the idea. The idea is that I think someone could make a lot of money if they came up with this product, have it manufactured, get a prototype, get it patented, and now every single vehicle will have the shopping cart. Now the shopping cart should be adjustable to any type of trunk size that you may have. It can be adjustable for the height as well. And then of course the wheels automatically fold up when you push it into your trunk. I think this would be great. I would certainly buy one. I don't have the investors. I just have the idea. And that's the whole scenario with this channel. Is I have a lot of ideas, but I don't have the time to implement them, nor do I have the financial ability. This is where you come in. If you like the idea, you want to use the idea, all I'm asking for is say that I got this idea from JustMyideas. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that there is currently a patent on this product. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't. I'm not here to say that I've done all the homework. I've simply come up with the idea. So what do you think? Cool idea, right? Thanks for watching.